Good morning. I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today we are discussing about management of a small business, that is a part of the entrepreneurship management, entrepreneurship development. In this we are discussing about various issues related with the organizational relations. Everyone know about the organization and its relations. Organization means it consists of the peoples with the surroundings, a lot of institution already in the system. So whatever any issues is to be there related with the relationship in between organization part was there, that means intrinsic and extrinsic. Inward means whatever the different department was there, and external means whatever the different association unit was there. If you are in the healthcare sector, then definitely the associated unit may be the government regulatory bodies or their supporting institution was there. Or if inside, that is the marketing, finance, HR department or different things is to be there. In this particular, in the terms of the organizational relations, we may consider the various values related with the job designs, performance management, training and development, legal issues. A lot of things can be carried out in due course of. Now, if while managing any type of small business or the system or the manpower management, whatever, so there are certain issues can be come down if we will not consider later on that become a drastic problem was there. As a new entrepreneur, as a developing entrepreneur, it's your responsibilities, your compliance was there. You have to look after that issues is to be there. Because in day-to-day practice, if you will not consider these things, then this may lead various problematic conditions will be come down. So first, issues. Compliance with laws and regulations. Compliance with law and regulations. Here I am using the two things, laws and regulations. Whatever the sector, whatever the unit you use to establish as a new entrepreneur, you should follow each and every steps given in the policy matter by government or the particular authorities. By which, because you are not for the one day business, you want to step in and you want to develop yourself from this level to that level. So reaching to that level, you should clear each and every compliance was there. I have told you that if you want to open any pharma company, you should take some production license. If you want to sell the pharma product, you should take some wholesale license. Either in the retail business, you should take up some chemist license from the government or what the local authorities do there. Now, that means we should follow whatever the regulations in that particular sector. Clear? And we should follow the related laws with that. Like, if you hire, as per the labor law, if you have more than 20 employees, there are certain statutory provisions as per the Labor Act. If below that, this may be applicable, this may not be applicable. I am not telling anything, I am not discussing anything in that. If this type of compliance is to be there, may be possible, certain rules, certain regulations as per the geographical distribution, as per the demographic factors, as per the caste, whatever. So, whatever the rules and regulations, whatever the regulation, you should follow. Otherwise, keeping up with the changing employment laws, you have to feel trouble in later on. So, regarding with organizational relations, in the developing section, like IR, whatever, you should follow the strict things is to be there. Second thing, management changes. This thing usually happens in government sector a lot of time. I am not telling you only in government sector, but usually this thing happened in government sectors. Maybe the authorities is to be changed, IAS officers, PCS officers, or the whatever the thing. Rules will be the same, laws will be the same, the authorities will be changed. So earlier may be possible Previous officer has given certain relaxation in that way. This officer will not lay down. So you should always ready to managing the change, because change is always law of the nature. What is to be today's may not be tomorrow's. Even in the system, the management change, you have to look after. Because whatever the product you need today, maybe possibly that is not needed tomorrow also. If you need that type of system is to be done in today's scenario, maybe possible you will not require other times to be. The same thing the customers to be. अगर एक जनरल एग्जांपल में लें तो बहुत सारे लोग सुबह मॉर्निंग की चाय के साथ बिस्किट खाते हैं. लेटर ऑन, हम कुछ समय साल पहले की बात करें तो शायद बिस्किट मींस पार्ले जी. लेटर ऑन द कंडीशन विल बी चेंज्ड एंड पार्ले जी एडेड सम अदर थिंग आल्सो, मैरी आल्सो इन दैट. तो अब दो सेगमेंट बना दिए. तो पार्ले वालों ने क्या किया, दे हैव अगेन डेवलप वन मैरी प्रोडक्ट आल्सो. क्यों? क्योंकि वो मार्केट ऑलरेडी आपके जी से अलग हो गया था, जी एंड मैरी. तो इफ बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, मे बी पॉसिबल दे आर द एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू आर द न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर, बट इफ वी लीव दिस कॉन्सेप्ट then they will lose the market. At that time the market will be around 35 to 40% was there. They have already stabilized. So that means you have whatever the market earlier, you have the 100% market for G only, like glucose biscuit, and now that this product entered and around 35, 32, 37%, like certain research has been already carried out. So either you will lose the market, either you should stabilize yourself in that particular market. So what the Parle do? Parle has established a different brand of the Mary, and now again he has settled down the market. I am not telling anything like Britannia or something. I am just giving only the example. This is समझाने के लिए कि we should be ready to accept the change. If we are not ready to accept the change, our organization will suffer. If our productivity up to that level, definitely as per the change, if we are not accepted, we will drop down. And अंतर किसको पड़ेगा? Because we are the new entrepreneur. हम एक नए हैं, हमें मार्केट में स्टेबलाइज रहना है, और अगर हम स्टेबल नहीं रहेंगे तो हम मार्केट में सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो फॉर द सर्वाइवल, एज पर द थ्योरी ऑफ डार्विन, सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. तो हमें मार्केट में सर्वाइव करना होगा, उसके लिए हमें मैनेजमेंट को करना होगा, और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिलेशन वी हैव टू लुक आफ्टर. The third one, leadership development. Leadership development. Development is not inductions. Development is to be there. If we have the knowledge, we have the skills, we can develop ourselves to be there. So whatever the leadership means entrepreneur. If I am the entrepreneur, I am leading the division, I am stabilizing the business is to be there. We have to develop our skills, our knowledge, our traditions, our values day by day. If this thing is not happened, we will lose whatever the system is to be. Because earlier we have to start our unit for 4-5%. Later on, as the unit grow, we have to enhance our capacity, enhance our powers, enhance our unit plan, enhance our organization structures, enhance our system orientation is to be there. As initially may be possible, we have to already told you that around 4-5% may be there, or later on this 4-5% enhance it to 40-50 and enhance 400 to 500 like that. If from this place to that place, this place to that place, if we will not increase, if we have not developed our leadership skills, so definitely we cannot do anything. Maybe possible earlier you have to process the system according to autocratic or the participative levels. Later on, you should convert yourself in the terms of the charismatic type of leadership, transformation type of leadership that you have to introduce. Otherwise, you cannot control your organization on the basis of faith and establishment. That is the main thing is to be there. In today's world, nothing is to be permanent. So whatever the knowledge, whatever the skills you have to look after, you should take care of that. And this is very critical things, because whatever, if the medical science is to be there, yeah, if you have to come down the Ayurveda system of to be there, एक जो हमने सीखा, जो हमने पढ़ा, कहते हैं किसी भी इंसान की टेंडेंसी को आप नहीं बदल सकते, मीन्स उसकी नेचर। मैं बहुत गुस्से वाला हूं तो मैं अपने गुस्से को नहीं बदल पाऊंगा, लेकिन अगर आपको पता है कि आप बहुत गुस्से वाले हैं तो जरूरत पड़ने पर आप अपने को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। सेम थिंग, इफ यू नो whatever your qualities is to be there, whatever the leadership style is to be needed at the time of the system administration, at the time of organization development, at the time of organization relation, you can go further. So you should take care while managing the institution on day-to-day basis. Now, fourth, workforce training and development. This is the vast. If you have to look after training for the new entrant and development, the person who already with us, we have to train, develop. Why the training and development is to be needed? We have just changed that this is the change. If when you have to start your business, you have a very less amount. You want to stabilize yourself in the market. Now you are in the growth phase, and later on you towards the side of the maturity you have inducted. So when you are inducted in that side is to be there, you need some modern technologies, modern efforts, modern systems to be there. For that modern system you need some new people who has the knowledge, and some new things can be inducted. And what is not necessary, HR principle is to be there. HR principle, whatever the employees you have, कभी भी आप उनको हटा सकते हैं, but now the question is to be there, because you have hired the person in that condition. तो अगर आप उनको हटाया है, इसका मतलब है कहीं ना कहीं आपकी वीकनेस थी, आप उन्हें सही तरीके से यूज नहीं कर पाए, because the principle of HR is right person at the right place at the right time with the right enthusiasm is to be there. So whatever in the organization relations, whenever we have to look after, we have to search down in which area you need the development of existing employees, because you cannot control all the people is to be there, because the span of management was there, and everyone cannot be control all the 400, 500 or whatever. So you have to train the people by which a good supervisor capacity can be developed in that particular person who already with you from the last so many years to be. And later on you are in the developing mode, because today you have the A organization, later on you can be a B or C, later on this organization can be extended, that type of things. So you can become a group of companies later on in due course of, because this is the enterprise development history. So you have to train according to a need basis, you should take up that. Then 6, adopting to innovation. As an entrepreneur, innovation is on the top priority. If you have not innovative approach, you cannot survive in the market, because ब्रेड सब बनाते हैं, मगर अगर आजकल देखिए, मैंने हो सकता है मैंने ट्राई किया हो, a lot of type, a lot of varieties is to be coming down. Ginger bread, garlic bread, nut bread, pizza bread, whatever the bread is to be there. Base सबका वही होता होगा. There may be, because I am not a bakery person is to be there. But if we are just go through that, some innovative idea they have to create it, because they have to extend their business or extend their business in the terms of organizational relationship development, because we have to add something extra by which others can be associated in that. Or ultimate, if my company is like A, if I am running a company, so whatever the surrounding, they should know that A is there, A is there, A is there. At least social recognition we should get down. Otherwise, what is to be there? A lot of companies is to be coming on daily basis. Again, they have just lose the business of it. Again, the shutdown is to be there. But if you want to go for the long run business, you should be there for a proper touch up and tone up with the real organization system is to be there. So innovative idea you should be ready to accept every time. If anything is to be there, creativity was there. If any employee show down this type of creativity, definitely you will show down. And you have to accept the things is to be. Because these are teamwork. Initially you have to start in the pain for new entrepreneurs to be there, later on the condition. So in the management of a small business, innovative idea plays the vital role in capital. Then 6. Compensation. 5 and 6. Compensation. Whatever. I'm not telling anything what the compensation you should give to the employees, what the things to be you have, whatever the values you have to have, but at least you should give that type of compensation on the regular basis, plus regular enhancement in that by which the system can be work smoothly. Because whatever the employees with you, they are totally dependent on you, and you are also dependent on him. That's why you have to take up higher than him, then start the business. They are also doing the labor to be. So whatever you should provide a clear-cut compensation as per the norms, as per the system, as per the laws we already discussed. So you should follow whatever the things to be. And in this compensation, at least you should give that type of recognition to your employees, to your authority. Your system is to be there in the for a smooth conductance. Otherwise, we know that salary is important, and there are certain job factors related with satisfaction. Was the salary was there? So whatever the compensation, it should be generously and acceptable is to be there. It's not necessary that abhi hire kar lo, baad mein nikal denge. No, this type of things should not be acceptable in the terms of the new entrepreneur. Otherwise, you will lose your businesses to be. And if you will lose your business, you cannot survive in this competitive environment was there. So now 7th, understanding benefit packages. You should be clearly understanding that whatever the system is to be there, because day by day the concept is to be changed over. Compensation is a different part of game. Compensation is that, like monetary terms, we have to provide to the employees, we have to provide to the associates, and we have the organization development was there. But there are certain benefit package, like we have to provide free fooding, flexible times, computer benefits, or health benefit that we should add on later on. For smooth organization relations, smooth organization development, because organization is a part. The different units was there, inside of the outside also. If this type of adjustment, this type of system is to be developed, definitely you have to look after. So you should add on in your growth phase, because introductory phase is to be there, then you have the growth phase, then you have the maturity phase. So as reaching on this phase nearby, you should accept the benefit packages also. Later on, because small business management is a small unit is to be there, there are different issues can be come down, because if you are earning and employees are seeing that you are earning but you are not giving the things to them. So at least for betterment of that, if this is not a small, it's only the higher, you can say the it's a business, not in a small business, it's a higher standard business to be there. So in that, if you have to look after, government has given certain things like the CSR, corporate social responsibility concept was there. In that, I'm not exact figure, I'm not telling anything to be there, but they told that whatever the business you are doing, at least उसमें से कुछ आप social responsibility पे भी खर्च करिए, जो भी 8%, 2%, 10%, 5%, whatever so. And why they are doing it? Because this is the prime responsibility of an entrepreneur. That first you have to look after yourself, then whatever the associated person are with you, you should look after that also. Then the third, you have to look after society also. For looking after the society, you should do this type of activities to be there. So in this system, in this flexibility, in this values, you have to look after certain things of the benefit packages. Otherwise, in the organization system, this will be a very typical condition can be come down in due course of. Then, as you have to grow phase, growing, and you have entered in the growing phases to be there, then recruiting talented peoples, employees. So, why talented means skillful? Once again, skillful. Who can cross the things to you? Or the main concept was there, whenever we are recruiting this type of person is to be there, maybe possible they are interested for some more packages to be there. You just accept the thing. Because you have to reach down from this place to that place, now you have to reach down this place to that place. These are very typical conditions. A lot of throat cut competition was to be there. So they have the skills by which they can guide you, they can stimulate you, by which you can reach the concept is to be there. सबसे ज्यादा अगर नाव चलाते हैं, अगर कोई आप पूछिएगा कभी भी शिप या नाव में, या टेक ऑफ करना है, फ्लाइट को ऊपर कराना है, तो सबसे ज्यादा जो इफर्ट होता है वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे चलता है. उसके बाद एक स्मूथ वे में चल जाती है. जिसने बाइक चलाई होगी, जिसने कार चलाई होगी, स्टार्ट करके आगे बढ़ाना सबसे पहला काम होता है. फिर तो रोड पे आपने चला दिया, आराम से देखिए चलती जाएगी. किसी को भी पकड़ा दीजिए हैंडल धीमे से. सेम थिंग यहां. फॉर दैट इज द थिंग. देन रिक्रूटिंग इज अ फाइन. देन रिटेनिंग, सबसे बैलेंस पॉइंट, रिटेनिंग talented employees. This is the prime job is to be there. If you cannot retain the right person, you will lose your business and the business will be adversely affected toward the side of the relationship management is to be there. Your organization will be totally disrupted. Because as per the entrepreneur, as per the small business management, you need a good people at the good places to be there. So retaining is the prime consideration is to be there. This issue will be come down. And finally, we have discussing the 10th point. And 10th point is that workforce diversity. This is the 10th point. Workforce diversity. Multiple generation. Diversity means maybe possibly you have started the business when I joined that institution is to be there and my age is around 40 years in that time. And you have to run that business, that will be 60 years. Now I will be separated. But during this tenure, maybe possibly my kids is to be there or something. I just introduced that person to be there here at the age of when I was in 50 years. So now he is around 30 years at this age. It is like an example. Main from is to be there. In your work team, all age group person should be there. Because each and everything is to be needed in this institution. You need conceptual values also. You need stability concept was there. Then you need product ideation was there. Then you need the choice was to be there. Then you need the acceptance level of the there. Then you need the marketing phenomenon was there. Then you need product satisfaction and values toward the perception of the side of the customer is also needed. Then you need the real transactional values on the values of the organization relation is to be there. So in your things, in your system, in your business, in the organization relations, you need each and every type of people is to be there in the organization. So it's the prime motive is to be there. You should not constrain that you will take up that type of thing. Yeah, you are associated with that type of companies to be there. So in this system of management, in the system of small business management, you should look after these points by yes, no organization relation issues will be come down in due course of. Now, this is the overall concept is to be there, which I discussed